Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And in today's video, I just wanted to sit down, hang out with you guys, and talk about some of my all-time favorite products at the moment. Lately, I've been trying out a bunch of new stuff, and I just wanted to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested in finding some really awesome products that I definitely recommend, then definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. Without any more rambling, let's jump into the video. Love you guys. Alright, so first things first, my first favorite, I actually did a whole video on them, and then I ended up finding like my ride or die pair, and they are these colored contact lenses that I got from lens.me.com. They're the Soletica Hydrocore lenses in Avella, and they're just the most gorgeous honey color. I'm seriously like obsessed with them. I love how they switch up my look, but they're not like too bright of like a blue or green to where it changes my face too much and I don't even feel like myself. This is just like a fun way to just like switch up my look, but I still feel like I look like me, and I just think they're so flattering, so pretty, and I feel like you can just do so many eye looks and they're gonna pop. I'll leave the link to these down below. I also have a discount code with lens.me. If you use the code Janelle in all caps, you'll get 10% off your purchase. So yeah, these are definitely a favorite. And they look so natural and real too. Alright, so I guess we can continue with beauty favorites. My next favorite product is this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk. I can't remember if I've used this in a video yet or not, but this product is great for whenever you just want to like quickly even up your skin, but you don't want it to look or feel like you have foundation on. This is pretty much all I've been using lately between this and then my Charlotte Tilbury like skin tint. To me, they're very similar. The only difference is that the skin tint by Charlotte Tilbury has like a glow slash shimmer to the skin, whereas this will just give you that glow, but it doesn't have like a sheen or shimmer in it. It's a very like sheer coverage. You can build it up though if you want. Yeah, it's just an all around great tinted moisturizer. Another reason why I really enjoy this product is because the color is really nice. I found that a lot of times with tinted moisturizers, they can either run really like orange or too pink, and it's hard to like find a color that like blends in with your skin. This one is like perfect. It's like the perfect neutral tone for me. Mine is in the shade 560 medium, and I just love it. It's an all around great product, and it's only like $9 at Target, and I want to say like $7 at Walmart. So moving on to drugstore favorites. I've been trying a lot of good like affordable drugstore products that I have been loving. Another favorite is my e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. First of all, the packaging is super cute and sleek. I lost the cap to mine though. But this stuff is great whenever I want to set my face, but I don't want it to like overly dry out my skin. Reminds me a lot of how MAC Fix Plus sets my skin, where it'll like melt everything together, kind of like lock it in there, but it doesn't like dry it out or leave you with like that super like tight feeling on your skin. And this also gives you like a really pretty all over glow. I'll spray this throughout my makeup regularly, and it just prevents my makeup from getting too cakey too. I also love the scent of this. It has like a coconut scent, so that's really nice. And yeah, for $8, I feel like you cannot go wrong with this product. This next drugstore item I've been obsessed with. I think I've pretty much used it like every day, if not every other day since I got it. And it's my Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid in it. And it is in the color Reef. It is just the most gorgeous gloss ever. Like, it has such a pretty peachy pinky tone to it. The feel of it on your lips, it's not sticky at all, but it's nice and opaque, and it lasts a long time. It also gives like a soft tingle to your lips. Not anything overpowering or overbearing, but just like enough to where you just feel your lips being like juiced up. It's pretty by itself. It's pretty on top of so many different lip colors. If you're running out the door and you just want a little bit of color on your lips, it's great for that. But then I could even like put this on top of this lip combo, and it'll just make it pop a little more. I'm gonna show you guys. It's so comfortable to wear too. It's just an all-around great lip gloss. To me, this performs just like any of my MAC lip glosses or even like my Fenty lip glosses. Like, it feels super high-end and comfortable. On the topic of drugstore lip products, this next discovery I have to thank my good friend Megan for. I've talked about her so much on this channel. She puts me on to so many good stuff. I'll leave her Instagram and all that linked down below, as well as her like to know it, because I promise you, anything that I've ever tried that she's recommended, and per her recommendation, I picked up this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade London, and I have not been able to put it down since. It's just such a pretty natural lip tone. You can wear this with so many different lip pencils, really switches up the look. Right now I have it on with MAC Plum Lip Pencil, again for her recommendation, and I'm just obsessed with how it looks. Like these three together have been just like my favorite lip combo ever lately. I also really like to wear this by itself. Like if I'm just running out the door and I just want a tint, I could even just like dot this and pat it on my lip if I don't want a super glossy finish. But yeah, now I kind of want to go back and pick up some of the other colors that I used to love back in the day and just like revamp my NYX Matte Lip Cream collection. And then also from the drugstore, there have been two brushes that I have been loving. The first one is this e.l.f. Dome Stippling Brush. I have been absolutely loving this whenever I'm applying like my tinted moisturizer or even a foundation. This brush just really blends out the foundation beautifully, gives you the perfect amount of coverage without being too much. I love the shape of it. I love the density of it. It's like dense enough to where you'll get coverage, but not too dense to where it'll pack on too much. Love how it is a nice dome shape too. And what's insane about this is that this brush is only $6, but the quality of it to me is just like some of my MAC brushes. Like it applies the foundation and everything just as good as my super high-end brushes. I have not been able to put this brush down. I also love this whenever I finish like contouring and highlighting. Just take this brush with like no extra product and just kind of like buff over everything. And it really just helps diffuse everything and give your skin such a pretty airbrush finish. Another brush that I have been obsessed with is my Morphe M530 brush. I absolutely love this for bronzing my skin. I'm obsessed with this because it's, again, the perfect amount of density but fluffiness to where I will get that really diffused bronze look, but it'll still like define my cheekbones just enough without being like a line. Just the hairs come to the perfect length. I love how it's a natural fiber too, so it just diffuses everything nice. I used to use like this one, the JH05 brush, which I still really love, but this is gonna give me like way more of an intense contour and bronze look. And sometimes I just want to quickly dust something over my skin, but I don't want a brush that's too fluffy to where you won't even see the bronzer or anything deposited on the skin. So this is just like the perfect balance between like these brushes. I've been obsessed. It's so good. All right, this next product has been a rediscovery. I've been using it like the last several times that I've been doing my makeup, and I've been really happy with how my skin looked. It is my Lancome Absolu powder in Absolu Accru Light. Now, this powder is expired. I remember getting this in gratis when I used to work for Lancome, and I was never able to use this powder back in the day because my skin was so oily. However, now that my skin is getting drier and now that I'm into more like of a dewy, glowy skin, as you can see, this powder has been so beautiful. It'll like set your face without leaving your skin feeling too matte or tight. It has a really soft like pearlescent sheen in it. I'll show you too because it really smooths out the skin. All right, do you guys see that? This side of my hand has the powder and then this side doesn't. Like, do you see the difference in how just like smooth it leaves the skin? I love using this whenever I want to set my tinted moisturizer, but I don't want to take away from like the glow of the tinted moisturizer, or I don't want my skin to look too heavy. It's such a finely milled powder that it's not gonna like end up making your makeup or tinted moisturizer or anything like that look cakey. It's perfect. It is definitely expensive, but you really don't need a lot of this powder. A little bit goes a long way. All right, moving on to my favorite skincare products at the moment. These items I actually recently talked about in my skincare video, but I wanted to give them a shout out in this video because I truly have not been able to put them down. The first one is my Honest Beauty Radiance Vitamin C Serum. You guys, this vitamin C serum is everything. I've noticed such a difference in my skin ever since I started using it. And what I also love about the Honest Beauty brand in general is that it is a clean beauty brand, so they're not gonna put any harsh or bad ingredients that aren't gonna work well with your skin. I love this too because I feel like this instantly just like brightens up my skin. It has really helped like plump up my skin. My skin was looking really dull the last couple of months just because I have been a little bit stressed. There have been a lot of changes and all of that. And this has really helped just like keep my skin in check and get it back to normal because it was not looking cute for a little bit. And I also find that it keeps my lips nice and plump. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but I always put my serums across my lips just so that they don't lose like the elasticity. And with this serum, I like literally feel like they're juicier than normal. Could just be me, but I have a feeling it's this, because this does help promote collagen in the skin. So if you're looking for a good vitamin C serum to keep your skin youthful, keep that collagen flowing, keep that bounce in your skin, I cannot recommend this vitamin C serum enough. It is absolutely amazing. This next item was sent to me, but I promise you guys, I cannot get over it. Like, it is so good. I've been using it every single day, and it is my Rose Skin Co. Petal Facial Brush. Like I said, I talked about this in my skincare video, so I'm not gonna rant about it too much, but it's just an all-around amazing facial brush. I love the size of it. I love how easy it is to travel with. This uses pulsations to like lift up any dirt or residue from your skin. It removes like 99% of dirt and dead skin and all of that. This has really helped smooth out my skin and keep my skin like nice and bright. I felt like before I wasn't getting a good clean, and I kept getting like those little bumps, like my makeup and all that wasn't coming out of my skin enough. And this has really helped just like pull any of the extra dirt, any of the extra makeup. I love how I can increase the speed of it whenever I want like a really deep clean, or in the morning if I want a more gentle clean, I can just like decrease the vibration. I also find that whenever I use this in the morning, the vibrations just really help like increase the blood flow in my skin, so I don't look as tired or dull and like blah in the morning. Like, it really helps just like speed up me waking up and looking more refreshed for the day. I also can't get over how easy this is to clean, since it is a silicone brush. It's not gonna like take in the bacteria and stuff that other facial brushes would use that have like natural hairs. I literally just clean this with Dawn dish soap every day after I use it. Super. And then I just put it back on my countertop and I'm good to go for my next wash. So I've been obsessed with that. I do have a discount code with Rose Skin Co, so I'll leave the link to that facial brush. And then my discount code is, again, Janelle in all caps if you want to save some money off that. Moving on, I want to show you guys some of my favorite fashion favorites at the moment. This first one is this band tee. I've been looking for like a really cute band tee, and I found this one from Forever 21, and I'm just obsessed with the color. I love the fit of it. I love how it seems like it's been like washed a million times, and it just looks so worn in, so comfy. I've been able to style this tee in so many ways. Like, you can wear it with like a blazer over top, you can put it with a jean jacket, you can wear it with heels, you can wear it with biker shorts. So yeah, I'm so happy. I mean, this isn't actually a band tee. Technically it's a NASA tee, but you know what I mean. It's like a cute graphic, just like worn in tee that, yeah, you can just style a bunch of ways. So I've been obsessed with that. If I'm able to find it on forever21.com, I'll definitely leave it linked down below, as well as everything else that I'm talking about in this video. And then another fashion item that I've been loving are my Reeboks. So these are like the OG Reeboks. They're a little bit dirty because I've been wearing them a ton. But what I love about these shoes, for one, is that they're not overdone. They're like a good pair of white sneakers that aren't like the Nike Air Force ones that everybody wears, or there's another all white sneaker, like the Adidas ones that everybody wears. They're not like overplayed or overdone to where everybody is wearing them, but they're like that same aesthetic. So I've been loving these to wear with jeans. I can wear them with summer dresses. I can wear them with casual outfits or more dressy outfits. They're just like a good pair of simple white sneakers that you can wear with so many outfits. I also love how comfortable these are. I just go with so many outfits. I have been loving these. Another pair of sneakers that I haven't been able to put down. I wear them with biker shorts, with jeans, with just so many outfits. And they are the Adidas Oszweegos. I got these from ASOS. These were impossible to find. Like, I've been wanting these. Oh my gosh, is that poop on them? Cute. I've been wanting these so bad, and they were sold out everywhere. Like, I also feel like these give you that kind of Yeezy vibe. These are so comfortable to wear. They're like that basic dad sneaker trend that's in, but I still think they're so cute. Me, I did have to size up with these because, I don't know if you can see, the back slants out. So it like pushes your foot forward. So I normally am a size 7 in women's, 5.5 in boys, and had to get these in a 7.5 in women's, 6 in boys. But they're just so cute. And you can style these so many ways. Moving on, I do plan on doing a whole separate Amazon favorites where I have like a whole other pile of, again, more Amazon things that I picked up that I love. So that'll be a separate video of just like more of my favorite products. This will be in my Amazon favorites video, but I quickly wanted to talk about it on here because Like, I have to let you guys know, I've been obsessed with them. They're just great for, you guys really need this in your life. And they're just these tanks that come with a built-in bra. So I have it in white, I do have it in black, I just can't find my black one. And then I also have it in olive green, but they have these in so many colors. They just fit so flattering. They're great for wearing around the house. They're great for wearing underneath of jean jackets or like pullover crop sweaters. They are just so great, so comfy. The only thing that I will say is that they run small. So me personally, I normally wear like an extra small in tank tops or tops in general. These I had to order in a medium. Like the small was super tight. My black one that I can't find, I got that one in a small and it literally squeezes my chest. Not to mention I literally have like a negative A cup. Like I don't have anything going on and it was still super tight. So I definitely recommend sizing up. I honestly could even do a large, I'm pretty sure. So they run very small, but they're just so great. I love wearing these with jeans, sweatpants, you can wear them with skirts. There's just so many ways to style them and they're so comfy. The material is really nice. It's a nice like thick nylon material. Can't recommend these enough. They're also great to work out in too. Lately I've just been so lazy. I can't be bothered to put on a bra and then a top. Like that's just what it's come down to these days. So those have been great. Another favorite item are these cropped hoodies I've been loving. This beigey one is from Forever 21. They actually had a sale where you could get the cropped hoodie and the sweatpants both for only 25 bucks. They're normally, I think, like $18 each. If they still have them, I'll leave them linked down below. I love this one from Forever 21. For one, it's super thin, so I can still wear this out and about during the summertime, but I won't overheat. And I just love these, especially for running errands, because every day at around 3 o'clock here in Florida, there's like a hurricane and it starts raining. And then the most frustrating part is that it will always start raining right when I'm about to leave and go do something. So I always just end up taking one of these with me just so that way I can like cover myself up when it does rain and I'm good. My favorite outfit is literally these cropped hoodies with the Amazon tank and some leggings or biker shorts. Boom. You look cute, you're super comfy. Yeah. Yeah, I just love how they're cropped. It comes to such a nice length. The color is so pretty. And then I also have this one in black. This one's actually from Target. This one's a lot softer on the inside. It's more of a fleece material. But again, it's not too thick to where you still can't wear it out and about during the summertime. And if you know me, I wear sweaters literally all year round. People make fun of me because I don't know, I'm just always cold and in a sweater. I love the one from Target because it's more fitted. I also love how the one from Target has a gold zipper. I'm always wearing gold, so I love like little details like that will like go with my jewelry. This one's so comfy too, and again, you can just literally put it over a tank top, over a tee like this, and you can like tie your tee, you can wear it with biker shorts. Just so cute, so cozy, and this one I think was like 18 bucks. All right, I definitely feel like I'm forgetting something in this video. It bothers me so bad whenever I go to edit and then I'm like, dang it, I forgot this product that I'm obsessed with. So if there's anything that I forgot to mention in this video and I remember later, I'm gonna leave everything linked down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. I'll also leave any of like the discount codes that I mentioned in this video so you can save money off. The discount codes in this video, they are like affiliate links, so I would get commission off of them. You actually know me by now if you've been watching me for a long time. I would never suggest anything to you guys that I don't 100% love, use, and recommend. Like, I promise you. So yeah, way to like stare into your soul. But yeah, so that wraps it up for this video. I hope that you guys found some items that maybe you guys want to try out. Please let me know in the comments down below some of your favorites. I love trying out other people's recommendations. If you tell me that a product is bomb and that I need it, I will run out and get it like ASAP. So let me know in the comments down below what your favorites are. And I love you all so much. I pray that you all stay safe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!